Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are opening up another Glossybox. So let's get in and let's get into the video. Alright guys, welcome back. So just to let you guys know, if you've never heard of Glossybox before or you've never seen my other videos, basically Glossybox is a hygiene skincare subscription box. And if you want more information, they always have a deal for you guys. So definitely check out the link in the description box below so you can check out to see, or also look at all my other videos on Glossybox so you can get an idea on what you can get. You basically get different skincare products each month and hygiene products. So if you love hygiene like I do, you definitely want to check this box out. So every month it comes in a different kind of theme that they send you, and this month is basically, it's always wrapped in tissue paper in like a burrito, and they always tie the surprises in a little bow tie, just looking super cute. So if you wanted to gift this as a gift for like Valentine's Day, this is definitely all you can. It's all wrapped in one as far as a gift for the special someone in your life, or whoever you want to gift this to yourself. So this is what looks like is in this month's packaging. So let me see if there is. Usually there is a pamphlet, but there's not. So I'll have a list of the items that are in this month's box so you can have a breakdown of everything. But the first thing I see here is from After Spa, and basically it says it's a black marble facial roller. And it's so funny because I was actually going to grab this one on my recent shop with me's. And you guys can see I shared you guys some of them. But this is just basically a black roller ball that you can use in your skincare routine, just so it spreads out and gives you a little massage on your face while you're doing your skincare routine. So this is definitely something that I needed myself. Let me see if there's any other okay, so what it says here for this, it says enhanced product absorption, small roller for delicate areas, and large roller for all over. So you see there's two different ways to use it. And that is from After Spa. All right, so that's cool. That's something that I definitely needed for myself. The next item that we have here is from Lynette. This is moisturizing foot mask with lavender oil. So you can see that there. And with any of the foot masks, if you see any of the foot masks, they always show you on the back how to use them. And this one, it says you leave this on for 15 minutes. So I would definitely be using this on my spa days in the future. And then the next item we have here is from Daydreamer. It says your dream cleanser come true from Bloom. So this looks, it's 20 milliliters. So this gives you a good idea. This is like a deluxe size, and it gives you a good idea on how to use that product and if it goes good with your skin. And the next thing we have here is Invisibobble, and I've actually used this product before. We got like a ponytail holder that looked kind of like a telephone cord. So this one is a little bit different. Let me see if I can show you guys what this one is, or what this one looks like. So here it says, let me see. So this is a bun star. So you would use this on your hair for a bun. It says no metal. And this is basically Invisibobble. The way that their products work is that so it doesn't pull on your hair, just like the old, the other scrunchies and ponytail holders normally do. This is supposed to not be pulling on your skin. And my daughter has way curlier hair than me, and she always loves using those Invisibobble products. So I know she's gonna definitely use it, and I am too. All right, and the next thing we have here is from Philip Kinsley. This is Bond Builder Split End Remedy. And the cool thing about this one is I'm definitely gonna be using this one. The cool thing about it, if you've noticed, I straighten out my hair just for the winter. Usually I air dry my hair, and it's been really, really good. But in the wintertime, it's really too cold to leave my hair cold so that it can air dry. And I don't like to use heat. And I know it contradicts my straightened hair. But when I straighten my hair, it usually can leave it like this for a very long time. So I don't have to straighten it out so much. And since I'm in Texas, it's going to get warm soon. So I figured I'd do this for a couple weeks just until we get out of this cold. And then once I start getting warm, I'll go back to my curls. But this is gonna be cool. While I do have my hair straight or curly, it doesn't really matter, but this is a spin. It says Bond Builder. And again, for this, I'll put the information in the description box below so you guys can see what this one is about. And then we have two more. Yeah, we have two more. So this is from Codex. This is a brightening serum. So these are really good, and this is a good size that you can give this one, again, a try. This is, let me see if I can see, 5 milliliters. So this is kind of like a deluxe size, I would say mini, well, kind of like this is a deluxe size sample. A sample would be really, really small. And then the last thing we have here is probably something that all of us use. This is from Julep. This is Love Your Bare Face Brightening Cleansing Cloth. So I'm definitely gonna give this a try. This is basically to cleanse your skin. I like to use this especially on the days that I wear makeup, like today, so I can wipe the makeup off of my skin, just make sure it's completely makeup free before I actually start my skincare routine. So this is 30 towelettes. All right, so that was everything in this month's Glossybox. So definitely let me know in the comment section below, what is your favorite hygiene or skincare product that you're using this month. And with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And again, I'll have the information for Glossybox in the description box below so you can go check them out and see if they're worth it. And like I said, definitely go check out my other videos on Glossybox so you can see if you love hygiene products and skincare products, this is definitely a box that you want to check out. So have a good day, guys, and we'll see you on the next video.